Zeke says he washes his face every day too, right?
God knows I love and need to drink. I'm so over this. What else is new? Something always goes wrong, but okay. Hi everybody, it's Susie. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup for women over 50. I'm going to start a series where I do a tip every day. I'm going to start kind of from the top down. Let's start with prepping your face. So it's really, really important to prep your face and your skin from the inside out. Number one, and I know you've probably heard this 1,000 times, is to drink water. Drink a lot of water. I keep a pitcher of water on my desk or my counter in the kitchen. Every morning I fill it with ice, and then I either put sometimes I'll put basil and strawberries in, sometimes I'll do lemon slices, sometimes I'll do apples, anything to give it a little bit of taste because it can get a little monotonous just drinking water all day. And then I keep a cup with a large cup with a straw in it, and I just drink on it every day, all day long. I try to stay away from any sugary drinks like sodas or even like Gatorade. It just is just not good for your skin. And I promise you, if you try this for 30 days and some of these tips for 30 days, you will see a huge difference. Number two is to make sure you wash your face every single night. I mean, I always do this. I can't imagine going to sleep without washing my face, but you really need to wash your face carefully and thoroughly every single night. I don't care whether you've been out partying or drinking or whatever you've been doing. You need to do the best you can to get it off and to get that makeup off and clean your skin so that it can breathe and start off fresh the next morning. You definitely need to exfoliate at least 2 or 3 times a week. And here's what I use: the Clarisonic Mia. And you can replace these heads, which I do about every 2 to 3 months. Let me see if I can get that off. Well, I can't get it off. What else is new? Something always goes wrong, but okay, I can't get it off. But you can replace these heads. They're about 20 bucks. The actual Mia, mine is old, but this is about, I think about $100 or $110. I'll have it all linked below. So if you want to get one, please use my affiliate links. It really would be appreciated. But I don't know, I've been using it so long and I really saw a huge change in my skin after I started using it. And then what I use it with is this exfoliator, the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. And here's what it looks like. Again, I'll link that below. And it is really awesome. It's pretty gritty and thick, but it really gets off a lot of the, it really exfoliates really well. I don't even know if you can see that, but it's pretty. It's almost like sandy. And look at those nails. Isn't that nice? So over this. So I use that like 2 or 3 times a week, and I'll kind of make a little mixture of these two. And then some days, like 3 days a week, I'll use the Mia, and the rest of the week I won't. And sometimes in the morning, I just use this product, and this is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I don't know what's in this, but it is amazing. It has glycolic acid in it. It's not super strong. It's not going to burn your skin, but it's, I don't know. It has a little bit of a scent, but not crazy. I just put it like on a pad like that and wipe it all around. And it really does seem to help a lot with just clearing pores and giving your face a good cleansing. So another suggestion I would have is to stick to the same products for a while. Like, if you're going to use a face wash, use the whole thing. Don't switch back and forth because that can be really irritating to your skin. And try these products for like a month. This one is a little bit more on the expensive side, but I think it's really worth it. And these things last a long, long time. I don't always buy the most expensive makeup, but I do try to spend a little bit more on my skincare. And I have a ton of discoloration. I mean, I sat out in the sun with the, album cover with tin foil on it with baby oil on it. If any of you guys are old enough to remember that, please share a comment below. There was no such thing as sunscreen, and if there was, I wasn't using it. And I was a sun worshiper, and it really took its toll on my face. So overall, taking care of your skin and your diet and your health is so very important. It shows on the it feels good on the inside and it shows on the outside. So really watch your diet. And God knows I love and need to drink. Try to limit it to a couple of times a day. I mean, a couple of times a week. A couple times a week, like usually Friday, Saturday, maybe Sunday. I definitely can see it and feel it the next day, no question about it. Another suggestion I have is to change your pillowcase out. I use a satin pillowcase. I get them off of Amazon. I'll link them below. They're not expensive and they're so soft. They're just really, really so much better on your skin. I think they come two a pack, and I buy a bunch of them at a time. Think about it, when you're sleeping, your skin is sloughing off, you're getting oils on the pillow, bacteria. Lastly, my tip for today is to use a really good sunscreen, and not only on your face, but also your neck, your chest, your ears, you know, at least apply a couple of times a day. It's hard when you apply it in the morning, then you put your makeup on, and then you go out, and now you don't want to put more sunscreen on, but I have found a product that is a powder with a 50 SPF, and I will link that below as well. And it's really good. So you can, you know, put a little bit of that powder on during the day. You know, you won't mess up your makeup, and you'll still get that added sunscreen. So those are my kind of preliminary tips for today. I hope you enjoyed them. Please, as always, leave me a comment and like, subscribe, share my videos. I would be most appreciated. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.